How to become the best affiliate marketer you can be. Affiliate marketing can be a profitable venture for someone who makes the time to learn about it, and develops the discipline to follow through on what has been learned. You need to know as much as you can to optimize your income through affiliate marketing. This video contains suggestions for you to use to start. Do not be afraid to try different programs. If you don't like one, try another. Check out things like payment structures, what each program provides, and how you can benefit. There is also no need to just go with bigger networks. Try viewing your favorite vendors to see what they offer. Use anticipation to build desire for your upcoming products. Preemptive marketing about the launch of a new product or service can build a need from a want. When used properly, this kind of marketing can drive massive amounts of traffic to your new product, which increases your sales positioning tremendously. You should select affiliate marketing partners that offer products closely related to your website's focus. This is not a case of encouraging the competition but simply smart business. Visitors to your website are most likely to purchase products related to the topics that brought them to you in the first place. By selecting affiliates that provide such products, you will increase the chance of successful sales. If you are working as an affiliate for a product or service that needs repeat business, keep this in mind during your promotions. Work up your marketing approach like you're fishing. The main goal is to throw out the bait and allow the fish to hook itself. After that, it's all about reeling in your catch. To maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure that you present your information cleanly. You want to focus on the content and the advertising, not distracting your readers with other items to focus on. Ask yourself if you need each component and get rid of the ones that do not make you money. Use auto-tracking software whenever possible. There is software out there that can download affiliate sales data and adjust the frequency at which an ad is shown in a rotation relative to its profitability. If an ad is consistently performing poorly, the software will alert you so you can dump it and put something potentially more profitable in its place. If you take the time to plan your next move and keep these tips in mind, you are going to see the positive outcome that you were hoping for when you decided to get involved. So make an action plan, including these tips, and get to work. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.